always here.
This tube would start, you know, it was all automatic.
Where the handle's sort of coming together, and I'm going to keep flattening this out, and it's going to be what I'm doing is drawing it out, drawing it out, drawing it out, and that way I can make a handle. And then I have to start finessing this a little bit. So we're just going to gently heat this up a little more.
I like how you're keeping that horn going with this.
Got it.
Slowly but surely, when you're watching. So right here, see it moves it, and then it spreads the ink around so all the time you're using it, you're getting fresh ink. And then,
so the ink is coming from the platen?
yeah.
Oh, it's like, oh, I see.
I put it
Okay.
on there with a spatula.
Oh, I see. Okay, interesting.
I don't know. If you had like something like this to hold it away, you probably could.
So this is like the flywheel here,
Yes.
and that keeps it going.
Yep.
Okay.
It keeps the lid.
Again,